Just drove by this $1 million house and I'm here to see what this guy does for a living.
Yeah, I know you. You're the guy that goes around asking people what they do for a living, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
All right, so go ahead, ask me the question.
What do you do for a living?
You're not gonna believe this, but I sell on Amazon. I flip things like Nerf guns, name brand shoes. Believe it or not, I actually bought this house for $1 million in cash. You wanna come inside, take a look at it?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's take a look. So this house actually has 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms. So let's just do a quick walk through. That's one of the bathrooms. The cool thing about the house is each bathroom has a bidet.
Oh.
If you don't know what a bidet is, look it up. So this is my office. This is where I do all of my work on Amazon.
Wow.
And purchase things on the computer, resell it. That's how I was able to buy this. So this is the master bedroom. It's a beautiful bathroom. I'm not take you in there because it might be a little messy, but let's see the rest of the house. So one of the cool features of this place is it has a movie theater.
Oh.
So now I know some homes have movie theaters. This one is kind of next level in that it is like an actual movie theater.
Wow.
Nice pool table right there. And then we have the movie theater.
Wow.
So you can see. And actually, if you come inside, you'll probably hear it on the video, it's soundproof.
Oh.
So the former owner, he actually spent $150,000 just on the movie theater.
Wow.
One of the cool features of the house too is it has an in-law apartment. So if you have a aging parent, it's a great place for them to be able to come and stay. Full kitchen area. So 1 bedroom right there. So it's very convenient, again, if you have an aging parent. This is my favorite area right here. It's kind of the rec room. We have a nice, kindly pool table right there. We have a killer spin ping pong table right here. Of course, you got the big screen, another bathroom, and then the slot machine.
Oh.
Can't have a game room without a slot machine.
Yep.
So we also have an elevator right here, which goes to all 3 floors. So we're just gonna go ahead and call it down right now, and I'll show you the inside of the elevator. Pretty cool having an elevator in the house. Actually, it's very convenient when you gotta carry stuff up and down. Feeling a little lazy, you don't wanna go up the stairs, you're able to use the elevator. So let's see the inside of the elevator. All right, let's take the elevator up to the 3rd floor.
Oh.
Just like a regular elevator. We're gonna hit the 3rd floor button. So that was the basement that we were just in. We're going up to the 3rd floor. On the 3rd floor, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and we got a huge bonus bedroom over the garage, which is kind of cool. So whenever we have guests come and stay with us, they're able to stay in that bonus room. And they actually probably have like a family of 7 or 8. It's so big, and you'll see it here in a second. My wife also uses that as her office. Hope you're enjoying this video so far. Hope you're enjoying this home. We've lived here for about 1.5 years, and I can tell you, we really enjoy it. So now we're gonna come out to the 3rd floor, and I'm gonna show you the bonus bedroom. All right, so this is the bonus bedroom above the garage, my lovely wife. So as you can see, the garage here is a 3-car garage. We actually have some guests that are coming tonight, so we blow up the air mattress, nice king size bed. And of course, they have their own bathroom that they're able to have some privacy around. And then as we move across the 3rd floor, we have my daughter's bedroom, which I don't know what kind of shape it's in, but we just get a quick peek. Got a nice little hangout area right here. We have my son and his wife's bedroom right there. They got their own bathroom. And then we also have another bedroom right here that's going to be the baby room. And then as you can see from the balcony, when we have the parties, this is where we set the DJ up right here. He spins the tables. Everybody's on the dance floor, hanging out on the deck. And then they got a nice walk to a park right behind the house. So hope you enjoyed the tour. This is my house. Thankful to have it because of selling on Amazon.